Let's import your Bitget history into Folio. Inside Folio, hit Add Trade and switch to the CSV tab. Now over to Bitget. Open your profile menu and go to Orders, then Futures Orders, and switch to the Position History tab. Not Order History, not Open Orders. Above the table, hit the Download icon. That opens Export Futures Position History. Pick your time range, up to 6 months, or switch to All Time for older trades. Set Coin and Futures to All and choose CSV as the format. Hit Generate. Your request shows up on the right as generating and turns into a download link within seconds. Click it to grab the file. Just remember it's only valid for 7 days. Back in Folio, drop the CSV into the box. Folio detects Bitget automatically and previews every closed position. One thing to know, Bitget's export doesn't include leverage, so Folio fills in your profile default. You can override it for the whole batch right in this panel. Set the import time zone so your timestamps line up. Folio will even flag any trades that look off, but that's just the start. Imported trades are just data until you make them honest. So open each trade and do the real work. Why did you take it? Double-check the leverage. A sync can only approximate it. Did you actually follow your plan? Folio's AI coach reads exactly this to analyze your trading and help make you profitable. That's where a journal stops being a spreadsheet and starts making you better. Hit import, and your closed trades land right in your journal. Folio exists to make traders profitable. Let's get you there.